Oh, right, here we go. Getting a right mess. Oh, this is my kitchen floor. Oh dear. Right, what am I doing? Oh, right, I've sorted out the spark gap. See? That's all done, finished. And I got the wires now are coming up here, which I gotta connect up to the capacitors. And out of the capacitor to the primary. And this is now for tapping the primary. That's off a gas mask, but I think it looks cool. There we go. Just figuring out how to join them together. It's not going to be difficult. So this is what I've done so far. I've been at it all day. I think the base is going to be finished by the end of the day, and then I'm going to have a long break before I start winding the secondary, because I'm not looking forward to that. So just a quick update on the big 10-inch Tesla coil. Say hello, Susie. Okay, there you go. Just thought I'd keep you updated.